spanning the globe to bring you the most accurate and up-to-date information about three-rail trains. This is What's New in O-Gauge.
Yes, this is What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our three-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. See the video description for links to all the products mentioned in this episode. This week's episode is once again brought to you with limited commercial interruptions by our friends at Diecast Models Wholesale. With over 10,000 different items in stock, Diecast Models Wholesale has the die-cast or plastic kit car, truck, plane, tractor, or tank model you're looking for in a variety of scales and at competitive prices. Check out this 1/43rd scale 1965 Ford Thunderbird Convertible, or this 1/43rd scale 1962 VW T1 pickup decorated for Coca-Cola, or check the webpage for thousands of other products today. Leading off this week is the new Atlas O Premier Line 2023 Fall Catalog. Pre-order these items through your local Atlas O retailer by December 6, 2023 to guarantee delivery, which is expected in mid-2024 for all items. First is the all-new E&D SD45 in Norfolk and Western, Gulford, CP Rail, CSX, Southern Pacific, and Union Pacific schemes with prototypical details for each road name. 3 rail versions list for $639.95 each. Next is the Premier Line F40 PH diesel in new paint schemes, including 3 different Metro versions, Music City Star and Maine Eastern. 3 rail versions list for $639.95 each. Matching Metra and Music City 70-foot bi-level passenger cars are also available in 4 packs for $574.95 and 2 packs for $289.95. Also available from Atlas O are premier ACF 3-bay center flow covered hoppers, decorated for Canadian National, Erie-Lackawanna, Georgia Pacific, Ralston Purina, Sclair, and Union Pacific for $79.95 each. The new Atlas O catalog also includes new premier 50-foot Gunderson High Cube boxcars, available as individual cars in Burlington Northern, Montana Rail Link, York Rail, and 3 different TTX versions for $79.95 each, or in special 3 packs decorated for TTX and CSX Heritage schemes for $239.85. Also new are Atlas O Premier 8,000-gallon tank cars in new paint schemes for CGTX, GATX, Hooker Chemicals, Southern Star, UTLX, and Wyandotte Chemicals for $79.95 each. Or choose a new Atlas Masterline 42-foot NSC steel coil car, decorated in AOK, FURX, Grand Trunk Western, 2 different Norfolk Southern versions, CAGY or Kansas City Southern for $94.95 each. If big rolling stock is your thing, try an Atlas O Masterline Multi-Max Auto Carrier, decorated for BNSF, Canadian National, Canadian Pacific, TTX, or CSX for $139.95 each. New in the Atlas Trainman line are PS 4750 covered hoppers, decorated for ADM, AGP, Landmark, Michigan Elevator Exchange, MFA, and Reading and Northern for $66.95 each. And last but not least, at an Atlas O Premier Line Bay Window Caboose, decorated for Canadian Pacific, CSX, DuPont, Gulford, Norfolk and Western, Southern Pacific, or Rock Island with UP Patch for $79.95 each. Check the video description for links to all these products, or visit your Atlas O dealer. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing the 2024 O-Gauge Rail King Gondola with cover in NASA, BNSF, Norfolk Southern, New Haven, Milwaukee Road, and Union Pacific schemes next spring. Each of these offerings will be available in limited quantities and is expected to begin shipping to MTH retailers in March 2024. The cars retail for $64.95 each. MTH Electric Trains has released 2 exclusive uncatalogued Premier O-Scale RS11 diesel locomotives in Delaware and Hudson and Alco demonstrator schemes for MTH retailer Mr. Muffin's Trains in Atlanta, Indiana. Each road name is offered in prototypical cab numbers and is available in very limited quantities for $499.95 each, plus free. MTH has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier O-Scale Union Pacific 4664 Challenger in special Katy Heritage livery for MTH authorized retailer The Train Loft. The locomotive will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in December 2023. In addition to the Challenger, Train Loft will also be taking orders on matching Atlas Premier 4-car streamlined passenger set. The early order price for the locomotive is $1799.95, and the passenger car set retails for $559.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an uncatalogued production of the Rail King O-Scale Erie 060 Imperial USRA steam switcher for exclusive distribution by Mr. Muffin's Trains. The locomotive will be available in very limited quantities with an anticipated arrival date of January 2024. The early order price is $459.95, must freight. MTH Electric Trains has announced a premier O-Scale 40-foot AAR boxcar in U.S. Army and Buffalo Creek schemes for exclusive distribution by Stockyard Express. The cars will be offered in 2 numbers, both in extremely limited quantities, beginning in December 2023. The early order price is $74.95 each, must freight. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Rail King O-Gauge auto carrier decorated for the Southern Railway for MTH dealer The Train Loft. The cars will be produced in 2 card numbers in extremely limited quantities. They will be available for delivery beginning in December 2023. The early order price is $59.95. And last but not least, keep warm this winter with these neat railroad-themed hoodies and sweatshirts from Daylight Sales. Remember that this channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from the links on this channel, so you can find the item you want and support our channel at the same time. Remember to check our latest long-form video every Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching.